Hi, I'm Rachel, and I want to tell you how I overcame one of the hardest times in my life. Last year, I lost my job unexpectedly. I had worked at the same company for 5 years, and I thought my career was secure. But one day, I was called into a meeting and told the company was downsizing. Just like that, I was unemployed. At first, I felt hopeless. I didn't know how I would pay my bills or take care of myself. Every application I sent out seemed to lead nowhere, and every interview ended with, "We'll call you," but no one ever did. After weeks of disappointment, I decided to change my mindset. Instead of focusing on rejection, I started to focus on improvement. I updated my resume, took free online courses to learn new skills, and asked friends for advice. Slowly, I started feeling more confident. Then one day, I got a call for an interview at a company I had always admired. I prepared like never before, practicing answers and researching the company. When I walked into that interview, I was nervous, but I told myself, "You've come this far, don't give up now." A week later, I got the job. It wasn't just a new position, it was a fresh start. This experience taught me that setbacks are a part of life, but perseverance is what defines us. Even when it feels like everything is going wrong, there's always a way forward if you keep trying. Remember, failure is not the end, it's just a step on the path to success. What challenge are you ready to face today?